Is it done? How to tell when homemade bread is really done.
As you start making bread and you're thinking, is it really done? Is it overdone? When bread, and they tell you to tap it if it sounds hollow, but how do you know what hollow sounds like? The only true method is to use a thermometer, and 180 degrees is when it is done. Now when you tap it, it sounds pretty hollow. So let's try the thermometer and see. I'm looking for 180 degrees. Well, that is a crusty loaf. Okay, it's stopping at 160, so I'm going to go for another 5 minutes. Okay, they are 180 degrees. I'm going to turn off my oven here, and I'm ready to frost it.
Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.